How to access Telegram cloud storage. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram. Simply click on any chat. After you click on the chat, at the bottom, click on Clip Like option. In there, at the bottom, you will find File. Click on File, and that is your cloud storage of Telegram. If you click on Telegram, and if you want cloud storage, you can also do is click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings, which is below Saved Messages. And then scroll down to Telegram Premium. If you don't have your cloud storage, you can simply subscribe. As you can see, $35.99 per year, and then get unlimited cloud storage. This is how to access Telegram cloud storage. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.